Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to access free Elementor templates. If you're building a WordPress site and want to save time while creating professional-looking pages, Elementor's template library is an absolute game changer. It gives you instant access to dozens of pre-designed layouts that you can customize to fit your brand. Let's walk through how to find and use these templates. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all your site management happens, so make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and locate Pages, then click on Add Page. This creates a fresh blank page where you'll be able to work with Elementor's design tools. After creating your new page, you'll see a button near the top that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click that. This launches the Elementor Visual Editor, which is where all the design magic happens. The editor gives you a drag and drop interface that makes building pages intuitive and fast. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, look for the folder icon located in the content area of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the Elementor template library. Click on it to open up the library, which contains a wide variety of pre-made templates you can use right away. Once the library opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Pages tab to browse full-page templates. These are complete layouts designed for different purposes like home pages, about pages, contact pages, and more. They're fully responsive and professionally designed, so you're getting quality without the hassle of starting from scratch. As you scroll through the templates, you'll notice a magnifying glass icon on each one. Click this icon to preview any template that catches your eye. The preview gives you a full view of how the template looks and how its sections are arranged, which helps you decide if it fits your vision before committing to it. When you find a template you want to use, simply click the Insert button. This adds the entire template to your page instantly. From there, you can customize the text, images, colors, and layout to match your brand and content needs. And that's it. You've now accessed and inserted a free Elementor template into your WordPress page, giving you a professional starting point that you can personalize however you like. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.